Tia here with Mastering Pop, and today I'm going to show you how I use the app Judge Me. So judge.me. Okay, so before we get started, go ahead and click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I talk about digital marketing and SEO day in and day out. All we talk about is scaling our e-commerce stores, and I don't want you to miss when I upload a video. Again, it's all about e-commerce. The platform of my choice is Shopify, but everything we talk about has to do with e-commerce and any platform that you may be using. So click the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so I wanted to create a video to show you how I'm using my review app. I'm using judge.me. I installed the app on Friday of last week. I was using another app before this, and I moved over to judge.me. But I'm a believer that when you install an app, you need to use every single feature. So I made it a point to work on using as much as I can. And I'm still in the process of adding more things. I'm on the $15 a month plan. I'm not sure if they have higher plans, but I'm on the $15 a month plan. So I just wanted to run through how I'm using the app. So judge.me, a review app. This is my website, Flower Power Packages. And I have my carousel above the fold. And there's different options of carousels that you can use. I opted for this one, but they have different options, different layouts. So I'm a pretty simple person. I wanted to keep it clean, so I selected this one. So I have it above the fold, or as above the fold as possible, right? So it's right underneath the homepage banner. As you can see, I have the tab here, which if you click on it, it just opens up another window that shows you the customer reviews. I actually had more reviews in this, but I lost reviews because of a lot of the products are no longer available. So the reviews, I did not import them originally because the products are no longer available. So that was unfortunate. So yeah, they're only showing 150, but we had hundreds of reviews. So that's something to think about, right? When you don't have a product anymore and you have reviews on it, what's the next option of what can you do with the review? But I did find out with judge.me that they can add reviews as a shop review versus a product review. So we're going to see how that works out, seeing if I can add the reviews for the products that I no longer have. All right, so then I have the tab here. If you scroll down, you can obviously see that I have reviews on the product images, right? Scroll down. I have a link that says customer reviews. If you click on this, it takes you to the actual page that displays all of the reviews, right? So I added on the collection page, I added this text above the fold because I wanted people to know right away that we have almost 5 stars. So I wanted it to be front and center. As you can see, I have the reviews and the option to for people to ask a question. Some people just have the reviews, but they don't have the option to ask a question. So I wanted to get as much user-generated content as possible. So we decided to have that displayed. So on the product pages, I have also this above the fold. Obviously, my reviews are showing here, and have the reviews for a specific product showcasing. I also opted to include this text on my contact page, including the carousel, and I opted to do this on my About Us page as well. Right? So another thing I did was I set it up where it's automatically pushing out my reviews to my Facebook page. I actually altered this text, so now it says, woohoo, we got a 5-star review from whoever it is, Laura. So that'll be posting. I think one's posting today. I'm not sure if there was a time that I selected, but yeah, I'm pushing it out on Facebook and Instagram. There's even a way for Facebook and Twitter. I have it set up for Facebook and Twitter, but there's also a way to do it with Instagram and Pinterest, and I think there's a Tumblr. There's another one. Cannot remember, but this is my Twitter. I also have it where my reviews are displaying in search engine result pages. So this is for 4-ounce wood lid jars, and you can see my 4-ounce wood lid jars here. You can see the star rating. This is also showing in my free product listings as well. So the free product listings, which is when you click on the shopping tab, right? These are free product listings right here. Also, I have my stars showing on my AMP pages. So AMP is accelerated mobile pages, and the reason why I have AMP pages is because I have a lot of products. I have a lot of images for each product, and I have a lot of apps working on each product page, right? So frequently bought together, my wish list app, my shipping delivery app. So this is a stripped down version of my 4-ounce wood lid jar page. So you can see it looks a little different from the real page. So this is the stripped down AMP version. And a lot of people use AMP or an app that allows you to have AMP pages because it loads your pages faster. We all know that page speed is a Google signal for rankings, and I wanted to make sure that my pages load fast, and if the pages that load slow, that's fine because I have AMP pages set up. Okay, so this is my 4-ounce wood lid jar page. You can see it's very stripped down. And if you go to, I can show you what the regular page looks like. See, it has a delivery. This is an app. This is an app. This is an app, right? A lot of images, lots of images. Well, not a lot, but enough, right? We have these tabs here. We have this here. We go back over to the AMP page, again, very stripped down version. So, one thing I want to say is that I'm still working on adding more of whatever is offered with Judge.me. I know that Judge.me integrates with frequently bought together, which obviously you see I have that here. It integrates with PushOwl. PushOwl is a push notification app that I talk about all the time, one of my partners. It integrates with Schema Plus, which I've already done the integration with them with Schema Plus and AMP. And it integrates with Pagefly and a bunch of other apps. So I'm going to make sure that these integrations, if I have the app installed, like I have PushOwl, I'm going to make sure that I use whatever feature they have together, right? So I just want you to do the same. When you install an app, of course, especially if you're paying for it, use all the features. Even if you're not paying for it, use all the features. Take the time to set it up. Again, I set mine up I installed Judge.me on Friday, and I have everything that I just showed you set up, and I'm still working on the integration part with the other apps. So you should absolutely do the same thing. Absolutely do the same thing. You want these apps to work for you so that you can make money, right? So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that.